small urban balconies or patios into herb gardens. Urban living does not mean giving up on gardening. Even the smallest balcony, patio, or rooftop can be transformed into a thriving herb garden. With the right planning, containers, and care, you can grow fresh herbs year-round, improve your cooking, and create a green space that brings life to any urban setting. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to convert your limited outdoor space into a productive herb garden that is both attractive and functional. The first step in creating an urban herb garden is assessing your space. Look at the dimensions of your balcony or patio and note where sunlight falls throughout the day. Most culinary herbs require at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily, so a sunny corner or edge of a balcony is ideal. If full sunlight is not available, select shade-tolerant herbs such as mint, parsley, or chives. Measuring your space accurately allows you to choose containers that fit well without overcrowding and ensures you can move around comfortably while gardening. Once you know your space and light conditions, consider the type of containers you will use. Herbs thrive in pots, window boxes, hanging baskets, and even vertical planters. Select containers with proper drainage holes because standing water can damage roots and invite pests. Terracotta pots, ceramic planters, wooden boxes, and lightweight plastic containers all work well. Larger containers support bigger herbs and longer root systems, while smaller containers are perfect for compact or slow-growing varieties. Grouping containers of similar size creates a tidy and manageable layout. Next, choose your herbs. Start with a selection of culinary herbs that you enjoy using in cooking. Popular choices include basil, rosemary, thyme, oregano, mint, cilantro, parsley, chives, and sage. Mix short-term growers like basil and cilantro with perennial herbs such as rosemary and thyme. Consider both flavor and growth habits. Trailing herbs like oregano or mint can cascade attractively over the edges of containers, while upright herbs like rosemary provide structure. Avoid overcrowding, as each plant needs space for its roots to expand and foliage to flourish. The next step is preparing the soil. Use a high-quality potting mix designed for container gardening. These mixes are lightweight, drain well, and retain moisture without compacting. Avoid using garden soil directly because it may not drain properly and can contain weeds or pests. Mix in compost or organic matter to enrich the soil and provide nutrients throughout the growing season. Filling containers with the right soil ensures strong, healthy plants from the start. Planting your herbs requires care and attention. If starting from seeds, follow instructions for depth and spacing on each packet. For seedlings or small plants, gently remove them from their nursery pots, loosen the roots slightly, and plant them at the same depth they were growing before. Firm the soil around each plant and water thoroughly. Group plants with similar watering needs together to simplify care. For example, drought-tolerant herbs such as rosemary and thyme can share a container, while basil and cilantro, which prefer more consistent moisture, can be grouped separately. Watering is critical for container herb gardens. Containers dry out more quickly than in-ground gardens, especially in warm weather. Check the soil daily by pressing your finger into the top inch. Water when the soil feels dry, ensuring water reaches the bottom of the container. Avoid overwatering, which can cause root rot. Mulching the surface with straw, small bark chips, or even decorative gravel reduces evaporation and keeps the soil temperature stable. Consistent watering encourages steady growth and prevents stress on the plants. Fertilizing container herbs helps them maintain vibrant growth and flavor. Use a balanced organic liquid fertilizer every few weeks, or incorporate slow-release fertilizer granules into the soil at the start of the season. Be careful not to over-fertilize, as too much nitrogen can result in lush foliage with reduced flavor intensity. Herbs thrive with moderate feeding and regular addition of compost, which improves soil structure and fertility naturally. Maintenance involves regular pruning, harvesting, and monitoring for pests. Prune herbs to encourage bushy growth, remove yellowing leaves, and prevent flowering if you want longer-lasting leaves. Harvest frequently but selectively, taking no more than 1/3 of the plant at a time to avoid stress. Check for common pests like aphids, spider mites, or whiteflies, and treat problems promptly using organic methods such as insecticidal soap or neem oil. Healthy herbs are more resistant to pests and diseases, so good care from the start pays off. For small spaces, vertical gardening is a valuable strategy. Use hanging baskets, wall-mounted planters, or tiered shelves to maximize space without reducing floor area. Vertical arrangements also improve airflow around plants, which reduces the likelihood of disease. Place trailing herbs in higher positions and upright herbs at the bottom or middle levels to create a balanced, visually appealing display. Vertical gardens are particularly useful for apartments with very limited floor space or narrow balconies. Another key aspect of urban herb gardening is seasonal planning. Many herbs are perennials, returning year after year, while others are annuals, completing their life cycle in a single season. Plan your container arrangements to rotate crops according to the season. For example, plant basil, cilantro, or dill in spring and summer, and replace them with parsley or chives in cooler months. Protect sensitive herbs from frost by moving containers indoors or to a sheltered location. This ensures year-round productivity even in changing climates. Companion planting can also improve growth and flavor. Some herbs grow well together, such as basil and parsley, which can enhance each other's growth. Others, like mint, are invasive and should be planted separately to avoid spreading uncontrollably. Mixing different leaf textures, heights, and aromas creates an aesthetically pleasing garden while supporting healthy plant interactions. Finally, enjoy your urban herb garden. Beyond fresh ingredients, it provides a relaxing green space, enhances air quality, and can be a social or creative focal point on your balcony or patio. Take time to observe the growth of your plants, experiment with new varieties, and create a layout that reflects your personality and needs. Urban gardening proves that even limited spaces can deliver abundance, satisfaction, and beauty. In summary, turning a small balcony or patio into an herb garden requires careful planning, appropriate container selection, quality soil, proper watering and feeding, and regular maintenance. By combining sun-loving and shade-tolerant herbs, using vertical and space-saving techniques, and practicing careful pruning and harvesting, you can transform any small outdoor space into a productive garden. With attention and care, your urban herb garden will thrive, provide fresh ingredients for cooking, and bring a touch of nature to your everyday life.